While the son was still far away, his father saw him, which means the father had been watching. Maybe every day, maybe every sunset. Hope never left him. The father ran. Before the apology, before the explanation, before the shame could finish its sentence, compassion moved first.
I'm not worthy.
But mercy interrupted him.
Bring the best robe. Put a ring on his finger. Put sandals on his feet. Bring the fattened calf and kill it.
Not punishment, restoration.
Let's celebrate, for this son of mine was dead and now he's alive. He was lost, and now he's found.
And there was joy, the kind heaven knows well, because heaven rejoices when even one lost soul repents. This story isn't just about a son who left. It's about a father whose compassion never ran out. And maybe today this story is for you. If you felt distant, if you felt unworthy, mercy is still waiting. The road home is still open, and the Father is still watching. Let us pray. Lord, help me walk away from what no longer brings you glory. Give me the courage to return when I feel far. Let your compassion meet me daily and lead me into your mercy. Amen. Some stories end with answers. This one ends with answers. This one ends with open arms.